What's up guys, I'm Cameron, this is Relentless Shine, and today we're working on, for the next several days, it's a 2017 F-250 jacked up typical Texas truck. What is going on with this truck is it's had some paint work done from previous damage, I believe partially rock chips, and in order to not have to experience that again, we're going to clear bra or paint protection film the entire truck, with the exception of the roof, because probably not likely to get rock chipped all the way up there. If you were to walk into the shop and say, Cameron, what is the best way to protect the paint on my vehicle? It would absolutely be clear bra or paint protection film. There's two industry phrases for that. On the entire vehicle. Can get pricey, especially on a large vehicle like this, but that is absolutely the best. So if you're spending a lot of money on a new vehicle, which nowadays more and more cars are $100,000 or more retail, then it's worth the investment and a couple $1,000 to wrap the entire thing. Now, if that's too much, we can dial it down a little bit and do just full front. So full hood, fenders, headlights, if you have a painted bumper, color matched, not chrome. Mirror caps, high impact areas. We can also do, wear and tear packages around the windshield and roof cap on cars that are lower to the ground. And on trucks, I really like to do rocker panels. So below the door, where rocks get kicked up off of the front tire and then behind the rear tire. Those are the highest impact areas, and we prevent the most damage there for a lot less money than wrapping the entire vehicle. And if we go that route, we can also do ceramic coating to the rest of the paint, and then as well as the film itself, add the extreme gloss, the slickness. UV damage prevention, we almost entirely eliminate fading from the sun. Chemical resistance, and it is super easy to clean. A lot of dirt just comes off when you pressure wash it. It takes less effort to scrub it off by hand, which to us, that's best practice, gentle hand washing. So, I hope you enjoy. If you're interested in doing this, give us a call, email, fill out our form online. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. If you like what you see, this is entertaining, let us know by subscribing, hit the alert button so you see our new notifications, new videos we're trying to drop every week. And thank you very much, we appreciate you.